Such a beautiful way. Right, Charlie? That's true, Cassie. It's a beautiful day. What should we do today? I mean, there's nothing to do unless it's raining. It's not. I know, but it can rain. So it's not a beautiful day. A peaceful one, at least. Yeah, at least a peaceful one. Clouds look dark. It was sunny in the morning, but it's all dark right now. I know what you're talking about. Don't worry. Yeah, then you should act like what I'm talking about. What did I do? Okay, whatever. The weather looks fine to us. Oh, I'm gonna carry you. This way. You should be careful about carrying the sister. Get out, sis. Finally. So heavy. So heavy. Ugh. Yeah, because I'm heavy. Is there a problem being heavy? I mean, of course not, but whatever. Anyways, what are we gonna do? If it gets sunny, I have something in mind. Now, what you get having something in mind? Just tell. You don't need to whisper. I already heard you. Waterfall. Yeah, waterfall. I like the waterfall so much. Yeah, I know. But it's so sad that they made it path through the outlands. Yeah, that's kind of the saddest part. That's why I always have to go to the 13 waterfall. Oh yeah, Cassie, you should try yourself. And then you should try it. Fine, I'm gonna try it. Then we can head to the waterfall. Come on, guys, let's go. Wait, how about the other cup? By saying it, yeah, you're right. You should go get the other cups. Why don't you go get it? Get them. Okay, I'm sure Ulu was so scared. Hey, don't make fun of her. Wait, what do you mean she's so scared? Well, I mean, she's kind of scared of these kind of things now. I don't know what happened. She's more like a scaredy cat. Like, she's right. Well, don't call her for a scaredy cat. That's kind of not nice. Ouch. Oh, yeah. Hey, ooh, we're going to the waterfall. Do you want to come with us? No thanks. I'm here. Okay. What happened? You scared? Something? So fun. So, yeah. I'm just gonna stay here. And besides, I don't want to get in the rain if it's gonna rain. Whatever. I shouldn't have asked you anyway. You don't want to. Whatever. Why aren't you going? No, I just don't want to go. Okay. You guys up for a waterfall? I'm coming. Yeah. If she's coming, then I'm going to. Wait up for me. It's just you two? No, I had a lot of waterfall adventures yesterday. I'm like so tired. My stomach hurts so bad. But then why aren't you laying down? I mean, it's like, okay, whatever. Fine. Guess this is gonna be it. Now, I know with the dragon too. Who else? Other cups don't want to go Cassie. Oh no, from us. They want the Shisha trophy. I don't know who, but I'm gonna go. Yeah. Wait for me, you guys. Who's going without me? Anyways. Oh, we got climb trees or what? I have to keep an eye on you guys. I'll just sit here instead. Wait, but we need to remove that bridge there to go, cause how else we gonna go? Yeah, but I'm not. The girls can do it. Yeah, sure. Everything's a test, right? No, I mean the female. You know, your mom, dad. Okay. Oh, okay. Hey, Nala. What? Come. What is this? You wanna go on Waterfall? So Robbie's gonna. I forced her to do it, but I forced you to do it too. Fine, I'm gonna try it. Don't worry. How about you? I'm forcing you to go in. I'm forcing I myself not to go. Is that a problem now? Yes, it's a problem. You need to go because I forced you. I forced myself not to go, so... Just come on, it will be so much fun. I will regret it, my decision, so I'm not gonna do it. When I try it, of course. I'm not gonna regret my own decision. Whatever. If you want to try it, I will be waiting. Come on, let's go. Line. Why am I last? More like, no. Okay, whatever. We need to remove the bridge first. I'll try to remove this. Okay, I got it. I'm taking this, thank you. This is under my control now. There's the little bridge. Ooh. And the lake is so cool today. It's so refreshing. Come on, you idiot. Just push yourself there. Come on, my Kiara. I was almost going to call him Ayla. It's so relaxing. It looks so great. I'm gonna go in. Wow! Went true. I can see it now. I can't. Oh, it's one that I'm not gonna go. My turn. Woohoo. You're going to the waterfall now. Yeah, only Kaya and Cobra are left. I'm stuck. Wee-hoo. We need to go. And sooner now, it's been 20 minutes. And we unfortunately ended the waterfall. After 20 minutes here, unfortunately. Oh! That's a big bump. Guys, you're fine. I'll just get out my own kids. Get up. Come on. And you get your own. Fine. Come on, guys. Time for you, Nala. Oh, you guys really. Sorry, Zaza. I'm fine. You should do it yourself. You were begging yourself to do it, so answer Abby. I was begging her to do it. I didn't beg myself to do it. Well, I told you you were gonna go, and you said, yes, fine, I'll go. I wanted to try it too. Maybe this situation can end. Maybe. That's pretty dark now. That looks fine and good enough. why didn't you go on the waterfall? You didn't go in it on yourself. Just, end this conversation, okay? You can be sassy sometimes. I'm not being sassy. Okay, don't start a fight with me, you girls, okay? Yeah, so funny. Get this straight, you guys. It's had a lot of rocks on the bottom. I want to collect some. I think you guys collect all the rocks you needed, dude. There's rocks everywhere, anyways. Yeah, I guess you're right. Come on, let's play with the rocks we already have inside. Yeah, you're right. Let's a few sticks. Here are the rocks. And here they are. Wait, this is not a rock that's made. But these rocks are cool. I know. And of course, when you play with them, I'm gonna lay down. Anyways, I'm gonna go hunting. You wanna go by yourself? Yeah, I'm fine. Don't worry. Just let her do whatever she wants. I don't understand why she always wants. She's sometimes stubborn. You're sometimes stubborn too, not just her. Yeah, I guess not everybody can be stubborn sometimes, but yeah, whatever. I'm gonna talk anymore about that. So 5 minutes later. I'm back. Anything? I got a Applebee here. Suck what I got. I got a little deer for the kids, by the way. They really need some deer. They haven't eaten deer like for a long time. I hate deer. I like zebra. Especially you guys. So, Tifu and Kiara were eating deer like a lot. They were begging for one, so they can eat whatever they want. But other ones are gonna be forced to eat this. No, hate deer. Hate it. You like deer? No. Anyway, but you guys need to eat it. You guys need to eat deer too, not just zebra all the time. Anyways, I'll be calling you guys. Go back first when this is ready. Nice. Just gonna rest there. Now, time for you to go on the waterfall. No, thank you. Yes, thank you. Anyways, I'm just gonna stay here and rest.